Look at a map of the world. You see land, you see water. The land forms continents, Europe, Africa, two giant landmasses close but not touching. Why? What divides them? It's a question asked for centuries. The answer is simple yet complex. Simple: water. Complex: the history of our planet, the forces that shape it. Europe and Africa, though seemingly close, are kept apart by the power of geology and the flow of time. Their story is written in rock and water. The immediate barrier between Europe and Africa is clear: the Mediterranean Sea. This vast body of water stretches for thousands of miles, a saltwater moat between the continents. It's a barrier to easy passage, a natural obstacle to land travel. Yet the Mediterranean is more than just an obstacle. It's a cradle of civilization, a highway for trade, a connector of cultures. The sea that divides also unites. It's a paradox, a testament to the complex relationship between geography and human history. To understand the separation, we must look deeper, beneath the waves. The ocean floor holds secrets of our planet's dynamic nature, where the forces of geology are constantly at play. Earth's crust is not a single shell, but a jigsaw puzzle of massive plates, constantly moving, colliding, and reshaping the surface. These tectonic plates float on the semi-fluid asthenosphere beneath them, driven by the heat from the Earth's core. These tectonic plates are the architects of our planet's surface, responsible for mountains, valleys, and even the continents themselves. The collision of plates can create towering mountain ranges, while their separation can form deep oceanic trenches and valleys. Millions of years ago, Africa and Europe were part of a single supercontinent known as Pangaea. This massive landmass eventually began to break apart due to the movement of tectonic plates. Over time, these plates drifted, pulled apart by forces deep within the Earth. The process of continental drift, driven by the movement of the mantle, caused the landmasses to slowly move to their current positions. The Mediterranean Sea is a scar of this separation, a basin that filled with water as the continents moved apart. This body of water is a testament to the powerful geological forces that have shaped our world over millions of years, creating the diverse landscapes we see today. Section 4. Gibraltar, a narrow gateway. At the western edge of the Mediterranean, a narrow strait serves as the only gateway between the continents, the Strait of Gibraltar. This slender passage, just 8 miles wide at its narrowest point, is a crucial juncture where the waters of the Mediterranean Sea meet the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean. Just 8 miles wide, this bottleneck is a strategically vital waterway, connecting the Mediterranean to the Atlantic Ocean. The strait's narrowness makes it a natural choke point, a place where maritime traffic is funneled through a confined space, making it a critical point for both commercial and military vessels. For centuries, Gibraltar has been a point of contention, a prize fought over by empires. Its strategic importance has made it a coveted asset, with control over the strait often determining the balance of power in the region. The ancient fortifications that still stand today are a testament to its turbulent history. Its control meant dominance over trade routes and naval power. Whoever held Gibraltar could control the flow of goods and military forces between the Mediterranean and the Atlantic, making it a linchpin in global trade and naval strategy. The strait has seen countless naval battles and has been a focal point in many historical conflicts. Today, it stands as a reminder of the close proximity, yet enduring separation, of Europe and Africa. The strait not only serves as a physical divide, but also as a symbolic one, representing the cultural and historical differences between the two continents. Despite the narrow distance, the strait has been a significant barrier, shaping the interactions and relationships between Europe and Africa throughout history. Section 5. A Sea of History, Trade and Culture. Despite the barrier, the Mediterranean fostered connection. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Greeks and Romans, used the sea as a highway. Ships laden with goods, ideas, and people traversed its waters, weaving a tapestry of cultural exchange. The Mediterranean became a melting pot, a crossroads where East met West. Languages, religions, and artistic styles intermingled. The sea that divided also facilitated the spread of knowledge and the growth of civilizations. Section 6. Could we bridge the gap? Imagining a connection. The idea of bridging the gap between Europe and Africa has long captured imaginations. Ambitious engineering projects have been proposed, massive bridges spanning the Strait of Gibraltar. underwater tunnels connecting the continents. Such projects present immense logistical and financial challenges. Yet, they highlight a human desire to overcome natural barriers, to forge physical connections where geography has placed natural obstacles. Section 7. The enduring separation. Europe and Africa remain separated by the Mediterranean Sea, a consequence of Earth's geological history. This vast body of water, stretching over 2,500 miles, has been a defining feature of the region for millions of years. The continents stand as testaments to the immense forces that shape our planet, forces that operate over millions of years. The tectonic plates beneath them shift and collide, creating mountain ranges, valleys, and the very sea that divides them. While the sea presents a physical barrier, it has also served as a bridge, a conduit for cultural exchange and human connection. For centuries, traders, explorers, and conquerors have crossed its waters, bringing with them goods, ideas, and traditions. The relationship between these continents, shaped by both separation and interaction, continues to evolve, a dynamic interplay of geography and history. From the ancient Phoenicians to the modern-day European Union and African Union, the Mediterranean has been a stage for countless historical events and cultural developments. Today, the Mediterranean region is a vibrant mosaic of cultures, languages, and traditions. Cities along its coastlines, from Barcelona to Alexandria, thrive as centers of commerce, art, and innovation. The sea that once separated them now connects them in a shared heritage and future. As we look to the future, the enduring separation of Europe and Africa by the Mediterranean Sea reminds us of the powerful forces of nature and the enduring spirit of human connection. The sea remains a symbol of both division and unity, a testament to the ever-changing yet timeless relationship between these two continents.